Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll start a series of tutorials where I show you how to draw body parts easily. In this one, I'll show you how you can draw human eyes looking at different directions. You should try and count how many times I'm gonna repeat the word circle in this video. All you're gonna need is something to draw a circle with. If you can draw a circle just by your hand, that would be totally fine. Our first step is to draw 3 similar circles next to each other. The 2 circles on the sides are going to be the eyes. Find the center of these 2 circles and then draw a smaller circle around them. To draw the eyelids, you need to find where the horizontal diameter meets the circle. Draw 2 lines. One is going to be the upper lid and it will be touching the smaller circle from the top, and the other is going to be the lower eyelid and it's going to be touching the smaller circle from the bottom. The 2 lines will meet at the other side of the circle. Now all you need to do is add some details, eyelashes, eyebrows, and some lines around the eyes. Add some color, and that would be all. To make the eyes look right and left, just move the smaller circle along the horizontal diameter, then repeat everything else. To look up or down, move the smaller circles along the vertical diameter this time. If you like this video and you want me to make more of it, please don't forget to press the like button, share the video, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel.